Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the picture album cover image in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the Gallery app. Next, tap on the Albums tab at the bottom and then open up the albums that you want to change the cover image. Now tap on the Option key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, tap on Change Cover Image. Now by default, the first picture in the album is selected as a cover image. Now you can select other photo that you want to use. So I'm going to select this photo here, and you can resize. It needs to be a square shape, so you can resize the pictures, and then tap on Apply. And then now tap on the back key, and you can see that the album has changed its cover image. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.